That is called the environment. Mahauliyat. If it is friendly, we are happy. If the environment is unfriendly, we are unhappy. If the environment is bad, we got sick. When the environment is not in favor of us, we go to hospital. Why we go to hospital for the treatment? Why? What is the root cause of our diseases? हमारी वजूहत होती है, we don't see it. Just we say, oh, I have fever, I have stomach pain, I have this, I have this. So this is called that we are sick, but we don't say why we are sick. समझे बेटा?
Yes, sir.
ये ट्रेनिंग जो है, this training is just for health, safety and environment, not only for the construction site, not only in your office, even at your home, at your surroundings, at every place you can implement all these safety factors. Driving a car, driving a motorcycle, operating a forklift, operating a truck, operating anything. That is called safety, road safety. Okay? So we are talking about the HSC, health, safety and environment, and how we can minimize the risks, hazards. Hazards होते हैं जो छुपे हुए दुश्मन होते हैं. हम कहीं पे जाते हैं तो छुपा हुआ दुश्मन जो है वो hazard कहलाता है. Hidden enemy is called hazard. Health,
Hazard
safety.
means
Hazard means छुपा हुआ those risks, dangers. Like if you are going, तो आप आगे फर्श जो है वो गीला है and you can slip and your back or your leg can be broken, you can lose anything, right? That slippery is a hazard. When you are going to the washroom, don't use washroom like that. Slip resistant. ऐसी टाइल होनी चाहिए कि जिसमें स्लिप हो बंदा हो. ऐसी जगह पे नहाए जहाँ पे आपके मैट्स पड़े हों. अगर वो स्लिप हो जाता है तो इट मीन्स दैट इज ए हैज़र्ड. आग के पास जाते हैं तो वो आग के अंदर जलने का ख़तरा होता है, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड हैज़र्ड. ऊंचाई पे जाते हैं, ऊंचाई से गिरने का ख़तरा होता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड हैज़र्ड. एंड दीज आर कॉल्ड रिस्क, जो आगे जाके आप में डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है जी? ओके. अभी लेट्स गो स्लाइड नंबर 1. ओके. What is HSC? HSC stands for Health, Safety and Environment. HSC encompasses a range of practices, policies and regulations to minimize hazards. जो मैंने आपको बताया कि उनको कम करने के लिए हेल्थ एंड सेफ्टी की जो रूल्स रेगुलेशंस है, प्रैक्टिसेस है, प्रिंसिपल्स है, उसके अलावा बहुत सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशन बने हैं दुनिया के अंदर. जैसे 1970 और 60 70 में ओशा डेवलप किया गया है इंटरनेशनल लेवल के ऊपर. लेबर की फर्टिलिटीज़ जो होती है नीचे ऊपर से नीचे गिरते हैं, उनको जो है वो मिनिमाइज किया जाए. सो दैट्स कॉल्ड द ट्रेनिंग in the health safety environment. Prevent accidents. If somebody knows I am not going to drive fast, if I will drive fast, I can kill others and kill myself. Right? It's the awareness.
yes, sir.
He will never drive fast. If he knows I am driving the motorcycle, if I am driving without helmet and proper screen, safety screen, and proper guards, I can hurt, I can break my head on the foot, on the path or on the road, and I can lose my life or lose part of the life. So this is called the hazard. Hazard risk जो होते हैं जहाँ पे जाए, that is called the hazard. ठीक है? ओके. इनको जो है प्रिवेंट करने के लिए एक्सीडेंट्स को और इंजरीज को we have established, OSHA has established safety, health, environment standards. ISO 45001 has established. So these are you are going to study the basic of the safety, which will be the certificate, associate certificate, safety certificate for the beginners, and then you will develop step by step of the other stages. Okay, so HSE stands for Health, Safety and Environment. HSE encompasses a range of practices, policies and regulations to minimize hazards, prevent accidents and injuries, and promote sustainable practices. HSE is vital for safeguarding the health and safety of individuals, protecting the environment, and maintaining sustainable operations across different sectors. Every sector in life needs safety.
Yes,
Safety
sir.
is the first, safety is the must for your health.
Maintain,
Sorry?
maintain sustainable operation
Yes?
across different sectors. So, what is the concept of different sector? Which one is?
Every sector, every sector, every sector. Each and everywhere in this world is there. I give you
Yes, sir.
example. आपका घर है, your house, किचन के अंदर मिर्चें पड़ी हैं, नमक पड़ा है, और उसके साथ डीडीटी दवाई पड़ी हुई है. अभी आप देखें, नमक और डीडीटी दवाई और चीनी की रंगत एक ही जैसी है. ठीक है, आपका बच्चा आता है, उसको तो नहीं आइडेंटिफिकेशन, उसको तो अवेयरनेस नहीं है, है, वो उठा के डीडीटी खा लेता है, तो व्हाट विल हैपन, ही विल डाई. इसी तरह आपके प्लग्स हैं, ओपन है, बच्चा आता है, नेल देता है, अंदर जाकर गिर देता है, he get shocked, he will die. Right? This is also sector. It is not only at your office. आप ऑफिस में जाते हैं, कॉरिडोर से गुजरते हैं, खुदा न खास्ता ज़लज़ला आ जाता है, आग लग जाती है, कुछ हुई है, लेकिन रास्ते में तो कार्टून पड़े हुए हैं, रास्ते में तो एक प्रिंटिंग मशीन पड़ी हुई है और इक्विपमेंट पड़े हुए हैं, या एक टेबल पड़ा हुआ है जिसमें चाय कॉफ़ी रखी हुई है. इट मीन्स दिस इज द हैजर्ड ऑब्स्टिकल है. आप रनिंग, यू आर रनिंग इन हैसल टू rush out from the corridor and with the panic bar you want to go outside but you see the obstacle. ये हम बताएंगे कि it should be away from the thing. फायर होती है, फायर के लिए आपको फायर एक्सटेंशन चाहिए, वो हम बताएंगे किस किस्म के फायर एक्सटेंशन होते हैं, किस टाइप की आग होती है, what type of fires are there and what type of structures are going to be used. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So next slide, this is the small introduction of the HSC, of what you are going to study. Why is HSC needed? Health, safety, environment. Why is needed? क्या ज़रूरत पड़ेगी इसकी? You know, in the world,
Sir, can I explain this?
what?
Why HSE initially?
Yes. Why HSC needed?
Yes, sir.
I didn't understand your point.
Sir, kindly repeat again.
आपने कुछ बोला है मुझे?
Sir,
आपने कुछ पूछा है मुझसे?
मेरी इस लेक्चर के बाद में
हाँ. Why HSC needed? That's, I'm going for that. You know, in the world, lot of people still dying because of unsafe work. You know about that? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Abdulrazak, आप मुझे response देना. Do you
Yes,
know
sir.
that a lot of people are still dying due to not having a safety measures? आज भी दुनिया में इस खासतौर पर हमारे मुल्क में लोग बहुत सारे मर रहे हैं, किस वजह से? जिनकी सेफ्टी नहीं. आप देखें,
Safety, sir.
लेक ऑफ सेफ्टी है ही नहीं ना, अवेयरनेस नहीं है, लॉज रेगुलेशंस हैं, बट देयर इज नॉट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन.
अच्छा.
Every
This is
year,
measured.
every year, International Labour Organization (ILO), they're based in Italy, and their head office is in New York with OSHA, Occupational Health and Safety. Many people, 2.3 Approximate million workers die every year due to occupational accident or work-related diseases like ऊपर चढ़ा हुआ है, proper scaffold नहीं, harness नहीं, fall down, lose his legs, hit his head, there's no helmet, there's no safety shoes, fire cylinder. Every day we see fire blast because they are not properly designed for such a pressure, or they are not kept out of the houses. They keep inside the kitchens. Gas ovens, they keep it open, they don't close it properly. Gas bargee, people died, fatalities. In the factories, somebody using this, his hand is front, cut his hand, finished. So due to that, International Labour Law Organization decided to establish rules, regulations for the safety of the people, for the safety of the properties, and for the health of the workers, and having a work in a friendly environment. Okay? To prevent the illness, accidents. Now, 16 years old boy, but he is driving the car because he doesn't have the experience, he doesn't have the driving license, he hit the other car and people died. He himself died, others died. Because of what? Lack of safety. So, by this way, insurance have to pay trillions of dollars every month, every year for the affectees. That's why they need it. There should be a department, proper department who should be, everybody should be trained in this field, but this proper should can implement by force safety, health and environment, rules, regulations. That's why International Labour Organization decided to establish the laws, regulations. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is why, that's why, to prevent the loss of lives, the loss of parts of the body, to prevent the damages of the properties, to prevent the health of the people, establish the rules, regulations, and enforced to implement. That's called. That's why the health, safety, environment is needed. Okay?
Yes, sir.
आप आगे जाके पढ़ेंगे इसकी फर्दर डिटेल्स जो हैं पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. व्हाट आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ HSC? हम पढ़ तो रहे हैं HSC. व्हाट आर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स? क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव है? व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव? देयर आर टू major objectives which are responsible for prevention of all incidents and accidents that can result from peculiar operating conditions, reduction of harmful effects that may result from normal operating conditions. दो चीज़ें हैं, objectives है prevention, all accidents or incidents, road accident, factory accident, air accident, house accident, room blast, right? Fall.
Yes, sir.
घर के अंदर मैंने देखा है, there are many houses that they have the steps up, right? But they don't have the side rails. क्या होता है? बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, another pushed him, गिर गया, खत्म, बाजू टूट गया, कुछ हो गया. देखा है आपने अब्दुल रज़ाक सर?
Yes, sir.
ऐसे देखा है कभी?
Yes, sir.
क्या दे मैंने कहा है?
No.
अपने फेस को मेरे सामने लाए ना, ताकि आई कैन सी योर इम्प्रेशंस, यू नो. बुक को नहीं. आप कोर्स को खोला हुआ है आपने?
Yes, sir.
खोला हुआ है ना?
Yes, sir. Please repeat again.
आपने अपना कोर्स खोल के सामने रखा हुआ है?
Yes, sir.
मैंने आपसे कहा है कि आपके घर के अंदर जो सीढ़ियाँ हैं,
Yes, sir.
आपने देखा है कि अगर साइड पे साइड रेल ना हो या दीवार ना हो, बच्चे खेलते खेलते एक दूसरे को धक्का दिया, नीचे गिर गए, हुआ ऐसे?
Yes, sir.
छत पे गए, छत के ऊपर चार दीवारी नहीं है, बाउंड्री नहीं है, सेफ्टी वॉल नहीं है, तो क्या होता है, बच्चे खेलते खेलते एक दूसरे को धक्का दिया, नीचे गिर के मर गए।
Yes, sir.
ऐसे ही होता है। पतंगबाजी करते 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 पीछे आए, नीचे गिरे, खत्म हो गए। इन चीज़ों के लिए आपने आंखें खोल के रखना है कि कोई हमारा बच्चा, कोई हमारी औरत, कोई बच्ची, बूढ़ा ऐसा एक्सीडेंट ना हो। फौरी तौर पे किसी भी तरह से गार्ड रेल लगाएं, साइड रेल्स जो होती हैं वो प्रिवेंट करें और घर वालों को बताएं। नंबर 1। नंबर 2, वॉशरूम्स के अंदर सिरपरी होता है। आई हैव सीन मैनी पीपल स्लीपिंग डाउन एंड हर्ट, राइट? तो हेल्थ सेफ्टी इन्वायरमेंट सेफ्टी कोर्स का मतलब यही है कि इन चीज़ों की अवेयरनेस हो एंड यू कैन इम्प्लीमेंट दीज थिंग्स टू प्रिवेंट द लॉसेस, prevent the incidents, prevent the accidents. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Number 2, reduction of harmful effects. जो चीज़ें नुकसान देती हैं उनकी रिडक्शन हो, मिनिमाइज हो, ताकि लोगों की जानें बची रहें, और ये इसलिए आपको सेफ्टी ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है। ओके जी, समझ आ गई?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट है इज प्रोवाइडिंग हेल्थ सेफ्टी एनवायरनमेंट ट्रेनिंग और इंफॉर्मेशन हेल्पफुल। जो आप पढ़ रहे हैं, क्या आपको कोई मदद कर सकती है? नंबर 1, जॉब के अलावा इट्स रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ऑल वर्कर्स, एवरीबॉडी इन लाइफ। जो इस दुनिया के अंदर इंसान आया है, ही नीड्स द ट्रेनिंग ऑफ सेफ्टी, हेल्थ एंड एनवायरनमेंट। Everybody needs the training on their health, safety, environment. For the awareness to save the lives, to save your health, and to save your environment. Because environment concerns all to us. Okay? Health concerns all to us. Safety of body, safety of property, safety of children, safety of ladies, safety of the house, safety of workers, safety of co-workers, safety of ministers, safety of president. Everybody requires safety. For plane safety, helicopter safety, army safety, everywhere safety. Okay? This is required. Not only for workers, every actor in this life, every person on this life needs safety. When we come on the construction side, yes, we say at project site we need safety, so that people should come safe and go back safely. Ensure workers are not injured or affected by the work they do. This is also the part of safety. When you are a safety supervisor or safety officer, it's your duty. It will be your duty because you have studied this safety, you have done the training. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That you should ensure that the workers who are working at the project site, at the factory site, or your co-workers working in the offices or working in the industry, everywhere they are safe. They are not hurt, they are not injured. Their arm is not broken, leg is not broken, eye is not gone, foot is okay. For that, we recommend PPE, personal protective equipment, which you will study next chapters. Okay? Implement a positive health and safety culture that fosters health, safety, and wellness. manage workplace health and safety in a better way, ensures well-being through advanced technology and professional development. जी अब्दुल कादर साहब समझ आई?
Yes, sir.
ये चीज़ें प्रोवाइड करने से, इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करने से हेल्पफुल है, यस हेल्पफुल है। किसी की जान बच सकती है, किसी का पाँव बच सकता है, किसी की टांग बच सकती है, किसी की आंख बच सकती है, किसी का सर बच सकता है। वो घर में जाएगा, बीवी बच्चों को, बहन भाई हैं छोटे, उनके लिए कमाई कर रहा है, बीवी बच्चों के लिए कमाई कर रहा है। अगर वो एक बाजू के बगैर चला गया, क्या फ़ायदा है उस काम का? या एक आँख,
Yes, sir.
दोनों आंखें, उसमें कोई ऐसी चीज़ चली गई, हाँ, अंधा हो गया, क्या फ़ायदा है ऐसी जॉब का, काम का? राइट?
Yes, sir.
सो सेफ्टी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीबॉडी। ओके, आगे जाए, हाउ टू एड्रेस एंटरप्राइज सेफ्टी, इसको छोड़ दें आप, ठीक है? ये आपके लेवल से थोड़ा ऊपर है। आप आगे बढ़े, हेल्थ सेफ्टी एंड एनवायरनमेंट are considered a top priority due to their significance in safeguarding human lives and properties, especially in high-risk industrial sectors. These industries are afflicted by workplace injuries, illness, and fatalities. Fatalities का मतलब होता है अमवात, मरना, ठीक है? illness, बीमार, injuries because of unsafe work environment, ठीक है? हेल्थ सेफ्टी एंड एनवायरनमेंट का वही कि आर कंसिडर्ड ए टॉप प्रायोरिटी। हर चीज़ से पहले सेफ्टी मस्ट, सेफ्टी इज फर्स्ट, नो कंप्रोमाइज विद सेफ्टी। अगर कोई काम गलत होता देख रहे हैं आप साइड पे, स्टॉप इट, गो होल्ड इट, रेक्टिफाई इट। द ट्रेंच, इट कैन कोलैप्स, पीपल कैन डाई। इग्निशन, फायर, chemicals fire. So what should you do? You should implement all the safety factors during the work at the project site. This is the responsibility of the safety officer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
It is important to establish and execute an effective workplace health and safety management. This is the duty of management, duty of the owners to provide all the facilities to implement the safety at the project sites. Okay?
Yes, sir.
समझ आ रही है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
अभी तो पहला दिन है, थोड़ा सा तकलीफ होगी, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इंशाल्लाह you will be all right. और further you should improve your English language as well. Okay?
Inshallah,
Yeah.
sir. I can understand, but I have issue with communication skills.
No, don't worry. Try it. Okay? Once you can speak freely to me in English language.
Inshallah, sir.
ये नहीं कि हमने सिर्फ सेफ्टी का पढ़ना है. I want you should establish a communication in a very professional way, right? So that you should
Yes, sir.
have a confidence,
Yes, sir.
and this confidence will grow step by step. मेरे पास कुछ ऐसे भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं कि जो इंग्लिश का लफ्ज़ नहीं बोल सकते थे, and today they are perfect, and माशाल्लाह they are earning 5 लाख, 6 लाख, 10 लाख तक कमाते हैं. तो अल्लाह का शुक्र है. मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि लोग जो हैं बेनिफिट हो, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
और इसके साथ आप इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज जो है वो उसको आप थोड़ा सा उसको इम्पोर्टेंस भी दें और उसको ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस भी दें. तो देन यू विल पिक अप द थिंग्स वेरी इजीली, बिकॉज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग.
Yes, sir. I know.
Right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you will study all these three. How many slides we have done?
6, 7.
7 slides. No, five का है. The next is safety culture. Safety culture. पढ़े ज़रा इसको.
Yes, sir.
Can you read the safety culture?
Safety culture is an organization. It constitutes a set of organization practices related specific concerning the health safety environment, safety shaped by employees working together in social relations and organizations. Organizational structures, the workplace, a significant impact on response, health, health safety environment, safety culture is to improve safety performance, reduce the accidents, conduct is the successful.
Near
Here
miss,
is
near miss investigation,
investigation.
reporting in an organization. This is the safety culture. In every organization, there should be safety culture. Safety culture, safety plans, safety regulations, not only for the workers, even for the top management, even for the management, even for the owners' safety. As I talked about, the safety culture of any organization means organizational practices, not verbally practical, doing the practical, specifically to the values and beliefs concerning HSE safety shaped by employees working together in social relationship. People are working together, you know about that. Mr. excuse me. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
आप मेरे साथ हैं?
Yes, sir.
आपने देखा है कि सारे वर्कर्स जो हैं दे वर्क टुगेदर, इकट्ठे काम कर रहे होते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Even they are enemies, but they work together. You know this thing? In a factory, 250 people, they were working.
Yes, sir.
Suddenly fire, and there is no fire exit. Rescue.
Yes.
Do you know about that? 250
Yes, sir.
people killed in, burnt in Karachi, in a factory,
Yes, sir.
because
Yes, sir.
there was a fire and there was no fire escape. Because all like a family, they were working together. They were not sitting there. They were working together. And in this accident, how many people they lost their lives, and how many families lost their dearest ones. Due to what? Lack of knowledge, lack of safety. So when conducted the investigation, the same problem, no safety. No safety. If they are working in a safe environment, might be to put safe, be safe. In Saudi Arabia, there was a chemical factory very close to us in Jubail, and suddenly there was a fire. Fire by what? The person was doing the welding and he doesn't know that this plant is full of gases, flammable gases. And lot of people, they died, they lost their lives. Okay? So if they are aware with this thing, they will not do that, right?
Yes.
They will have this safety factor. They should check the gases, flammable gases, by their analyzers. Okay?
Yes, sir.